What's up, Royals? So as we all know, we got to get the fall garden popping. So I am here at the garden center trying to get the ingredients that I need for my soil amending that I'm gonna do in the raised beds. So we're gonna go ahead and grab a few things, and yeah, my sister's with me. She's making me feel weird. That's why I'm in here like I don't know what to say. But let's go ahead and do it. Is it open? I don't know. All the stuff.
Okay.
Oh, it's right here. This is what I'm looking for. Organic compost, mycorrhizal fungi. This is called Rainbow Garden Center. So this is one of the best garden centers we have in San Antonio. Ocean Forest. Is this the wrong way?
I wonder if they open up a little later.
Say hello to Goddess Platinum. She has a channel. She is... Tell them what you do.
I'm a reader. I'm a tarot reader for Twin Flames.
Okay. So go follow her. I'll put her information down here.
Goddess Platinum.
Yes. So we're in the wrong entrance, you guys. I think it's this way. I need one of them little wagons.
Still in their cars.
Are they? Oh, they are. Open.
Is it?
Can't wait to get some peas in.
What?
I'm gonna do some peas.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good in warmer weather.
It's pretty.
My sister's a plant lover. Oh my gosh, what is this?
You're not taking very good care of her.
Oh. Oh,
It's
dang.
so hot.
Yeah, it's still really hot here. Oh, oh, we're just recording. Thank you. I want a snake plant. She said that's pretty. You want me to take your pictures?
I had one of these, and I think I overwatered it, and it was like,
Girl, now you know they barely need water.
2 bags.
It's so crazy. It's hard to find compost anywhere. But I guess if you come to the nursery, you'll find it. I'm a hardware store type of girl. So this is new for me.
Yeah. Are they heavy?
Yeah.
She's like, what you think?
Yep. All right.
All right.
They just need a hand.
Let's go.
Do we have to take this up there, or will we be able to
Actually,
tell
if you just buy it at the register, I would have got it and brought it to your apartment.
Oh.
Can we do that?
Yes.
Can I leave it here?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
See, the more you know. I'm like, this stuff heavy.
All right.
Okay. All right, so we are at Home Depot. I had to get some raised bed soil, so we're gonna get that. They have it, thank goodness.
They have it. Thank the Lord. Y'all, we've been running around town.
Yes. Okay. 2 bags of this. It's $9.97. Remember these prices because they going up. Okay. I need a card. Oh yeah, this is expiration date for soil because they were selling some soil that was back from 2020.
No, they were not.
Is this legal?
Oh.
Oh, it says 2023.
Uh-huh.
10/2020.
Okay, good. Okay, so that's an important thing to check the date on the soil.
Yeah, because the soil, it'll dry out. Like all the nutrients will start to dry out if they're sitting out.
Okay.
You know, it's
So-
hot in Texas.
So what's the longest you should keep your soil? Do you think it'll
I would
last?
say a year.
Oh, okay. No longer than a year.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go look at the ones outside.
Okay. That's a lot of work for a little woman.
Girl, all that went straight.
Oh God.
Alright, can't be a lazy gardener. That's part of it.
All right.